white clay. You need the head, which is half a circle. The body, which is like a half an oval. Or no, yeah. The feet, the arms, the ears, and the eyes. So what you do is you put the head on top of the body. Bam! The ear. The other ear. And then you put on the hand. Boom. Boom. He's looking less like an alien and more like a bear. Eyes. Boom. 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 The alien. Alright, Lillian is gonna make a panda. A pink and white panda.
Pink and black.
Pink and black panda.
Okay, well this is the body. The bigger circle and the smaller circle. And then it's all about now is smoothing it out. Going that way. But I don't like it that way, so I'm going down. You're just gonna smooth it down so it becomes one with the larger ball. Well, this is as good as the body will get. There it is. And it says to put the arms on first, since it's a panda. From what the book shows, it just sticks it there. Sticking.
Don't worry, people. There are gonna be more interesting ones later.
There's that one there. Stick. It may be a bit too long now, but we'll cut it off. It'll be okay. And so for the panda, I guess I should have touched his head on now. There we have the panda head. It's not telling me to smooth it out though. Ta-da! There he is. Now it's all about just moving his body. Which is the hard part. I don't know how to put his arms.
This panda does not promise the cuteness that the book does.
You know what? Now we're just gonna, his nose mound, we're just gonna smooth it into his head. Like that. To give him nose and ears. The nose goes in between that. And then his ears, obviously now they're too large. So I have to cut them down. Stick his ears there. And then flatten them out a bit. So they'll have this is not his eyes, but the shadows or the black around the panda's eyes. After we bake it, I hope that we can put the white dots for his eyes. And there you have it.
Alright, now, alien time. Alright, so you got the body, you got the head. Put it together just like the first one. Right? Then you put on the ears. Is that an ear? That's not an ear. That's an ear. Boom. There you go. You want to make it into horns because he's an alien. Okay. And then you're going to add the legs. He's going to look like an octopus. So you just add a leg all around. You flatten him out. And you're just going to elongate his legs until they become octopus-like. You're going to put on his eye. His mouth. That's too big. And green dots. because he's an alien. Boom. Alien. Okay, well, we have our alien, right?
And our panda.
And our other alien, who looks like a bear.
And now we're gonna go bake our clay animals and clay oddities and our clay beads in the oven for 275 degrees for 15 minutes.
How do you know that?
It's on the instructions of the clay.
Oh, really? Oh.
So we have baked our clay animals and our beads in the oven for 275 degrees for about 15 minutes, a little bit more. So now we're going to make our bracelet with our clay beads. These are the swirls that I made. They turned out pretty well. Don't say for myself. And you just thread them through. This needle's kind of fat. And there. Beautiful bracelet.
So, Lillian wanted to keep her panda, but I think that animals and aliens belong outside in their own habitat. So, you know, so I've released mine into the wild. Okay, guys, it's been a good run. It's time for you to go back to your planet. Don't make it harder than it already is. Okay, well, goodbye.